Bird and Kip, the Nut Thief. Episode 2, Bird has a plan.
Kip didn't steal your nuts, Squirrel,
Bird said. But Squirrel frowned at Kip.
He still thinks I stole them,
Kip thought.
Somebody stole the nuts,
Bird said.
but it wasn't Kip.
She tapped her beak.
Maybe it was a different chipmunk.
Squirrel said. Maybe,
Yes!
Kip said.
Let's look for the real thief, Squirrel. Can you believe me?
I have a plan.
Bird said. She picked up Kip's pail of nuts.
What will we do?
Squirrel asked.
Will we gather nuts for me?
No,
Bird said.
we will gather clues. You said you saw the thief. Where was he?
Squirrel thought for a minute.
He was walking that way.
Squirrel pointed toward a hole. It was in a brick wall. Bird peeked through the hole.
I see grass.
She said. Then she went through. Kip followed, and so did Squirrel.